How to delete background in the Filmora app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video that you want to edit. And now you can see I have added one. Now you can also find the background right here. Now to delete this background, scroll to your right on this toolbar just like this. And here you can find the background option right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the backgrounds right here. Now to delete it, simply tap onto this button right here. Now select it. And now you can see the background is now deleted. And simply tap onto the check mark. And that's it. This is how you can delete background in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.